Your life wouldn't change until you do this. Your brain is not fixed, it is not just who you are. Every single day, your brain is physically rewiring itself based on what you do, what you repeat, and what you pay attention to. This is called neuroplasticity, and it's not a motivational buzzword, it's a measurable biological process. So here's the truth: life wouldn't change until your brain changed, and your brain wouldn't change until you change what you repeat. Let's talk about how this actually works and what to do about it. The habit loop. Every habit you have runs on a loop discovered by neuroscientists studying the basal ganglia, a part of the brain involved in automatic behavior. The loop has three parts: a cue, a routine, and a reward. A cue triggers your brain. You feel stress. That's the cue. The routine is what you do: scroll your phone, eat sugar, avoid the hard task. The reward is the relief. You feel a small dopamine hit. Here's the key fact: dopamine isn't released just from the reward. It's released in anticipation of the reward. That's why habits feel automatic. Your brain starts craving the routine the moment it sends the cue, before you even get anything. This is why willpower alone really works. You are not fighting laziness, you are fighting a weird circuit. Why repetition rewires the brain? Neurons that fire together wire together. This is called Hebb learning, named after neuroscientist Donald Hebb. Every time you repeat a thought or action, a neural pathway for it gets stronger and more efficient, like a path one into grass from repeated walking. This means two things. One, bad habits are strong because you have repeated them thousands of times, not because you are weak. Two, new habits even become just as strong, but only through repetition, not through the burst of motivation. Studies on habit formation, including research from University College London, found new behaviors take anywhere from 18 to over 250 days to become automatic depending on complexity. The average is around 2 months. Change is not instant, it's structural. The role of prefrontal cortex. Your prefrontal cortex is the part of your brain behind your forehead. It handles planning, focus, and self-control. It's also the part that gets tired. This is called ego depletion, or more accurately today, cognitive fatigue. Every decision you make during the day use mental energy. By evening, your prefrontal cortex has less control and your automatic habit circuit take over more easily. This is why people who are disciplined often aren't relying on willpower at all. They remove the decision. If you don't want snack at night, you don't fight to craving with willpower. You don't buy the snack in the first place. Practical tip. Here are two things you can actually do based on the science. Tip number one: change the cue, not just the behavior. If you want to stop a habit, identify what triggers it: a time of day, a feeling, a location. Stop that. Leave your phone in another room. Take the different route home. Removing the cue is far more effective than resisting the argue. Tip number two: habit. Attach a new small habit to an exciting strong one. After I pour my morning coffee, I will write down one goal for the day. Your brain already has a strong neural pathway for the coffee routine. You're borrowing its strength to build a new one next to it. Tip number three: make the reward immediate. Your dopamine system responds to immediate feedback, not distant result. If your goal is exercise, don't wait for weight loss to feel rewarded. Track it. Check a box. Feel a small win right after you finish. This trains loop faster. Tip number four: shrink the action until it's stupidly easily. 2 minutes of exercise, one paragraph of writing, one page of a book. The brain resists big changes. Small actions slip past that resistance, and consistency, not intensity, is what rewires the circuit. not intensity, is what rewires the circuit. None of this require a personality transplant. It requires repetition, environment design, and patience with a process that is biological, not magical. Your brain will change. It's already changing right now based on what you just did. Reading this instead of scrolling past list. Repeat the right small action tomorrow, then again. That's the whole method.